Hey everyone, this is a follow-up video from the previous one I made, which was entitled Best Online Business to Start. If that's something that interests you, then go ahead and keep watching. And at the end of this video, you can go ahead and click on that next video, which would be the first one to this, second part. This is Travis from Make Money Methods, where I will continuously put out more content like these types of videos. So I just wanted to go into this one, which is choosing the right online business. This is key to becoming successful on the internet and generating passive income. There are a number of things a person should know when trying to select the right business online. Namely that it takes time and effort to find a business that will make it profitable and attract customers. Consequently, one should take their time when selecting one. I wanted to go into a couple of different things that you may want to consider and understand when taking this approach. So the first thing that you're going to want to look into when choosing the right online business is doing thorough research. Finding the right online businesses takes research, and therefore it should be a person's top priority. When doing research, look to see if the business or product has a potential for long-term growth and to generate passive income. Do not opt for business trends or products that may offer quick money in the short term but quickly runs out of steam in the long term. Also look for an online business that is fairly established but has plenty of potential. Remember that online businesses are like any other business. It takes time and work to be able to attract customers and generate profits. The next one that you're going to want to look into when choosing the right business is your customer base. To have a successful online business, especially one where you want to make a passive income, you'll need loyal customers. Customers look for businesses that offer them high quality products due to customer service and consistency. Why consistency? Because it breeds trust in customers. You need to trust their product will arrive on time and in the way that they ordered them. When looking for an online business, make sure you have a product that customers will want. Okay, and when choosing the right online business that's going to generate you passive income, you want to pick a product that you believe in, something that you're going to stick with, that you trust, and also the product cannot be of inferior quality because in the end it will cost more money, potential customers, and time. When choosing the right online business, you want to look to see the potential that it has. You got to ask yourself how much time and effort that you're willing to put into that and the kind of profits that you can make. Your answer is going to determine if the business is right for you. And then the thing you want to consider is the hours. When starting a business on the internet, it usually is advised to not quit your day job. You don't want to get ahead of yourself. This is important because it will take a while to generate enough income to live on. You don't want everything to, get behind, and consequently, a person needs to be clear on how many hours a day, a week, they can devote to their online business. The right online business for you might be where you don't have to put many hours in the beginning. It is best to be honest with yourself about how much time you can put into the business. If you're not honest about it, then you pick a business that requires more hours than you can give. You want to know what your goals are, whether your goals are monetary or personal. If you know your goals, then you can select the right online business for you. Another thing that you really are going to want to consider in picking the right online business is, before selecting your online business, is make sure that it can compete with other businesses of its type. Is there enough room for your business? Is there a niche for your competition it's not seeing maybe you do, which will be profitable for you? These are important things to consider when selecting an online business. And then, ultimately, when it comes all down to it, and you've gone through all these different criteria, and you have some kind of structure and an understanding of which direction that you do want to take when choosing the right online business, and then you know that you're going to be able to make a passive income online. Most owners who own an online business want to make some kind of passive income. Best way to do that is to pick the right business product for you. It has a potential market. Membership sites are great. Softwares, shopping, and information products are the best way to go when wanting to generate a passive income through an online business. However, don't take my word for it, or anybody else's for that matter. Do your research, what works for you, ask for help, set some goals, and just keep on looking into different types of opportunities that comes your way, and don't always choose just the first one. and whatever you think is best for you, just feels good, feels right, just go for it. If you got value out of this video, go ahead and give it a like. I do appreciate it. And then also leave your comment below with other make money methods that you would like to see me make in the future. I will do some research and look into that. If you go down into the description of this video, I'm going to show you a best way to make money online on a budget. You can get started right now, and it's free training. Go ahead and click that link down below and go ahead and see if this is something for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified right away when I release another one of these Make Money Method videos. And I thank you so much. Everybody have a great day.